All right, welcome everyone. Good to have you all in the stream for today. Market is looking pretty solid for now. I see, let me check, GU. I have sent the market analysis and the market update in my Discord. So if you want to have access to that, it's all for free. Link is down below. You can easily go to that to the Discord and check the market outlook for the day. I do that every morning, so if you don't want to miss out on early opportunities, definitely make sure that you are in. But for now, we're looking at GU, and GU is looking pretty good if you ask me. What I want to see, I want to see price coming down a bit more aggressively. We are currently reacting from this support. Loads of sellers induced. Yes, we have a higher time frame area of support over here, but we took internal liquidity from the other low, which is visible on the hourly, I guess. Yep, so we took liquidity from this low, but overall still in this major support. But I do believe we have so many sellers induced that I want to go against all those sellers, right? So I want to wait for price to come into this support, induce buyers, take those buyers out, induce more sellers, and then go against that. I think that's the idea for now. So this is, we're going to wait for that. We have to be a bit more patient, but let's see what will happen next. It's looking pretty slick if you ask me. I was waiting for price to make a move towards the downside. Simply waiting for that. It's a bit aggressive though, so we are working with a 10 pip stop loss, so we have to see if we need to adjust the stop loss to make it a little bit more bigger. Just because price is aggressive, we always have to be flexible to the markets. If markets are more aggressive, obviously we have to take account of that as well. But again, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Especially price come up, tapped into this area of supply again, right? Area of supply. Let me mark everything out for you so you have a good understanding where we're looking at. Resistance and more supply. So this could be a trap, question mark. We never know for sure. We're no fortune tellers, but we can see that the market has been stepping down quite some time right now. And we want to first induce sellers, then go long, and obviously I wouldn't be surprised that if we take out these areas and we break bullish, or even take out this high, we will turn bearish again. So my trade is not with the illusion that price wants to go and makes a new high. No, my trade is the illusion that I want to trade into internal liquidity, grab that liquidity, and then go with the overall market movements, whether that may be. I mean, who cares, right? I bought myself a new extra challenge with Alpha Capital, so let's see if we can get that account up a bit. So that would be interesting as well. Couldn't care too less about the outcome of the challenge though. It's understanding the edge, meaning that if you buy enough challenges, and I have a 60% win rate on my trades with a 1 to 2 risk to reward. There is always a chance that I lose challenges because I risk double on my challenges, meaning that instead of 1%, I'm risking 2%, meaning that 8% profit target can be reached within 2 trades, but my account can be blown as well. And that's just part of the game. That's just part of the game. When you reach your first funded account ever, obviously you have to play that one by the rules, by the book, meaning 1% risk, staying very consistent. But once you get that first account, now it's time to scale that capital up, to increase that capital, because we're not here to make more percentage, gains. We're here to make more capital so that the percentage gains that we have, and with me that's around 2 to 4% a month, by increasing capital we are increasing earnings, right? That's how the game is played. Not getting a higher risk to reward or getting more trades or getting a higher risk to reward. That's just, if that's the case, you have a long way to go, because that's not how trading works. All right, how many pips does GU has to melt? Okay, fair enough, 16, 15, 16 pips ish, so that's doable. That's doable. Yeah, are there any pairs you are looking at? Drop it in the live chat. Happy to check it out. We have to wait for price to come to us, so yeah, easy. This one from yesterday was pretty clean on silver. All right, yeah, Paige, always increasing the capital. That's very, very important. Good that you can make it though. Good that you can make it. Let me send a screenshot to the VIP about this setup for the ones who aren't on the stream or working. They can see what we're doing, what we're waiting for. Be sharp when price comes. Look, now it's stepping into this demand. So yeah, it still looks trappy to me, to be honest. It still looks trappy to me. I want to see on the 1 minute. Is this something we have to take account of, because it took out that low? So we might just see a sweep of these lows. So we have to be aware what will happen next. So either way, it's this support, because this low took that liquidity of that low, meaning that I'm not so sure if it's part of the support. We can see price stepping into this demand, giving that bullish reaction. Yeah, has the looks of a potential trap area. Let's mark that out as well. So potential bull trap. We have to take account of this low. It's very important. Either this one over here. Then this could count as a liquidity low. All right, GU looking very good. And I mean, I'm on a pretty good run with the trades I take. Haven't had a full R loss in over a month right now, so the loss is inevitable, but what's very important is that you understand your own ego, that you understand that the markets can be ruthless. So yeah, when you are on, I mean, I'm not on a winning streak, but definitely as well not on a losing streak, because I had some reduced losses. But that's just well risk management. Now, there's always that opportunity that you become a little bit too happy with everything, that how it goes, and your ego will take over. You will take unnecessary trades. So it's very, very important to stay true to your trading plan. Always understand your own psychology and how you can be the best of that and beat it. Because yeah, if your ego goes up and you're winning trades, the market will crush you in the end, just because that's how the psychology works. Yeah, so we have to be very aware of it. I am. So I'm only taking A+ trades. It has to be A+, otherwise I'm simply not taking it. And for now as well, we have to see, I mean, if price doesn't come to these lows, if price decides to go off from here, well, fuck it, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, so I do see this as a potential bull trap. Let's see if it is a bull trap. Let's see if it is a bull trap. How's that 1 minute looking? If you got any questions, put them in the live chat. Again, happy to go over all of your questions over there. Let's see how far we can push this. Let's see what will happen next. We have to be patient here. Waiting is the name of the game. Yeah, look, EU as well, reacting from this area. Wouldn't be surprised if price want to take that out. That would be in line with the GU as well, to be honest. Okay. What is the DXY doing? Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the DXY. Yeah, sorry. What do we want to see from the DXY is that price from this area where it's reacting from is going to break bullish. Sorry. Sorry, a little bit of a cold still. What I want to see is price breaking bullish. Because then if we break bullish, we have induced more buyers and we can look to sell, right? That's what my opinion is. It's not lining up as smooth as GU, to be honest. It doesn't have to. The DXY is a confluence, it's not a confirmation. And we do have this area over here, which is interesting. So if we take this out, we definitely can check to move towards the downside, meaning GU can move towards the upside. It's all in line with each other. It's just not as clean and lined up with each other, but it makes sense. It makes sense. That's my point of view. I mean, everyone can have his own point of view, but this is where I'm looking at currently. All right, price is falling. Let's have an alert here so we know what happens. This a bit away, focus on GU. How many pips? It's still 10 pips away. That's nothing. Could be easily be done within minutes. Let's see and wait. Let's see and wait for the potential setup to come. Again, if you got any questions, put them in the live chat. I'm happy to go over it. We're going to see if we get this entry. Yeah, easy. Well, bull trap has been swept, right? This last area, it was a 2-minute area. It has been taken out, so the ones that were entering from these areas are at least liquidated. Now the market can push up higher, easy, because we have a sweep of that low. It could also create another trap like SMC. SMC trap would be like this. Price comes up, comes down, takes liquidity, breaks bullish market structure. Would be something like this. Comes up, then we have an area of demand on the 1 minute where price is potentially reacting from. They expect longs. So this is what SMC traders could be trading. Not my piece of cake, but obviously that can be done as well. It's again the waiting game. The boring part of trading is this waiting, and waiting. Right, price pushing up. It can be doing this for, let's say, half an hour or more. That's just easy. Anything on gold today? Well, let's have a look. Let's have a look what gold is telling us when it comes to liquidity. Let me delete this stuff. Okay, so what I see on gold is that we have a bullish break of structure. This was the trappy supply over here where we yesterday looking for longs. We have taken out all this liquidity over here. I'm not going to do too much in detail. Yesterday was very detailed explanation on gold and everything that was there. So what do I see currently? I see we have a new bullish range. Price comes down, fails to break the structure, so respecting the low, potential longs in the overall major bearish range. And you have to understand this, when everyone is looking for shorts, the market usually does the opposite. So what we could be seeing right now is longs. However, I'm not liking how price action currently is. I have to check the lower time frames, but what we can see is that price now is reacting from this area, but we have grabbed this liquidity. So we easily can come down because we could be inducing buyers, because we have that internal bullish break of structure, and we have price reacting from this demand. I will show you that there is a demand probably on the lower time frames or not, I don't know. Let's see. 1 minute, it might give us something. No. Okay, so no, there's no demand over here. I think this is something to do with news. Anyway, then we look at like this. What do we have? Support, right? From the support, we're doing an internal bullish break of structure in line with the 4-hour range and the hourly range that has also turned bullish, right? So there are quite some buyers in the market actually. Quite some buyers in the market. Liquidity has been taken. There was an area of resistance over here that has been swept very early this morning. Yeah, this morning. Okay, sorry. Trend line. I don't know. I don't know with gold, to be honest. It's a bit uncertain and unclear for me. So I would stay away and wait for price to become more certain, to give it more directional area of where it wants to trade in. For example, if we look at higher time frame, where would I be looking for longs if price comes into this supply again and creates liquidity? That would be for me a reason. Okay, I know when price comes into these areas and price breaks bearish market structure, sellers will think the market will sell off. This is where I want to look for potential longs, and the other way around, right? If price comes into this demand area and does the same thing, right, this breaks bullish, creates a demand, short into this area of support. And I must say those shorts are making more sense than longs right now, but that's because where price is. Now we're at the middle of the range, so I would wait for price to be to make a decision, because now it's in the middle, it's inducing potentially, right? You can argue that we have that FIB range where it's currently not yet in, but almost in, but we are at equilibrium, that 50% mark. So yeah, wait. Gold is better to wait. When it comes to my strategy, not gonna lie, it all depends on strategy. If your strategy allows you to trade gold in this range and it gives you all the confirmations you need to take a trade, well, obviously you can take the trade. It's that darn easy. But for me, I want to wait for direction, and I want to wait for traps in the market, institutional traps, where we can go against it. This is a bit of as expected, to be honest. Like I said, take out the early buyers. Now SMC traders are induced, in my opinion. So if a bullish break of structure, for fuck's sake, bullish break of structure. Now let's see, where is that? Yeah, look, it's on the 3 minutes. You have to be a bit more flexible with switching time frames. So now we have a potential SMC trap over here. But let's see. I still think we have taken out this area of support. We have price reacting from this. I mean, the market can push up from here, and I'm completely fine if it does so. If it does so and the market wants to keep on pushing, that's fine. I don't want to be part of that move, right? This is what trading is all about. Don't want to be chasing those trades. No, if the market comes to my entry, I'm taking that trade. If the market keeps on running up, I'm not chasing chasing price, trying to find an entry, because this is how you get wrecked and lose all of your capital. I mean, we're not playing games here, we're not gambling. I mean, we're gambling with an edge, meaning that we know over all of our trades that we take that we have a certain edge, a certain win rate that makes us consistent money, right? Chasing trades is decreasing the edge, is decreasing the trading plan, and is decreasing the probability that your trade will go in the right direction. But again, when I started, well, you can imagine I did exactly the same as of every beginner trader. It's completely normal. It's completely normal to have those behaviors, this destructive behaviors, because it is destructive. It takes years of growth away if you keep on doing and making the same mistakes. And yes, I know it's normal to have the same mistakes, but it's better to learn fast because it will set you back in time. I will stay here on the live stream for 5 more minutes. Then we're going on to our exclusive call with the VIP. I think we will get an entry because I do believe this is just a big trap. And the VIP will be notified with that. We're doing a Zoom call. If you want to be part of those Zoom calls, well, easy. Go to the link below in the description. There you will find my Whop link and my Discord link. If you access through Whop, you will get instant access to the VIP section in the Discord, where I send in the VIP trade alerts, where we talk about the market, about the strategy, where I help everyone, but also where the Zoom call links to the VIP calls will be listed, and there you will get instant entries from me. But you can ask me direct questions one-on-one in the Zoom calls to understand the strategy to a T. Paige, where you're talking 15 minutes isn't clean for a long, so potential another sweep. You mean on GU or do you mean on gold? Can you clarify on that? GU. 15 minutes isn't clean for a long, so potential another sweep. Ah, you mean, okay, yeah. For obviously, we don't trade the middle of Asia, right? So we don't trade the middle of Asia. So we just wait for price to come and take these lows, and only when price comes and take these lows, we're going to look for an entry. Otherwise, I don't give a fuck if the market wants to go up or lower. I don't give a fuck. This is where my potential entry will be, not anything up higher. I'm not going short if we take this liquidity. No, I'm buying into the liquidity, and this is how we're going to make some money. And look, it's coming for that SMC trap. SMC traders getting in right now. Orders are getting filled currently. 100% SMC traders are in. Order is filled. We will see a potential little bit of a spike up to give them the illusion that price wants to go higher, and then I expect price to melt. I could be wrong, completely normal, but I've been trading these pairs for over 4 years, so I know a bit what I'm seeing, and sure of hell, these SMC traders need to be right sometimes, right? That's completely normal. If they were wrong all the time, there's no fucking reason to take those trades anymore. So yes, they give them sometimes the push, they give them the illusion, so it's not that it's not working, but it's obvious. It's obvious when you know that people are entering from certain areas whilst there's still liquidity below. It is a potential trap, and this is why I always put the question mark below, because I don't want to trick my own mind in saying that it is 100% a trap. if I say SMC trap without a question mark, I'm now saying that I know this is an SMC trap, and this is very destructive behavior. Why? Because the market is never sure. We can be never ever sure about what's going to happen next. So it's always potential question mark, and this is how you make a nice and honest analysis about a market that can do whatever the fuck it wants to do. Yeah, so very, very important that to just for your own mind, it is not going to trick you into anything. Put the question mark, because who knows? Who fucking knows? And look how it's reacting from this area. Do you think this is a coincidence? Do you think price is reacting from this area is a fucking coincidence? No, it ain't. It ain't. It has always has a reason. It has a reason. What it will do, we don't know. But if something is doing something we expect it to do, it's because market makers, banks, institutions are creating this. There is no fucking retail money to be taken here. Never. Retail money is nothing. And then again, most retail traders that are profitable are trading prop firms, and prop firms are just demo accounts. So we're not even participating in real market. We're not participating in real markets. Our stop orders, our take profits, which is also liquidity because we're taking money from the market and money from someone else. It's fugazi. It's nothing. It's simply nothing. It's all demo environment. So it's all fake. So most profitable retail traders, especially beginners, and I see myself as a beginner as well. 4 years of experience is nothing. Yeah, we don't trade with real money, so there's no reason why banks are hunting retail liquidity. Fucking nonsense. Fucking nonsense. Alright, team, what am I going to do? I'm going to end the live stream. I will send the Zoom call link into the VIP section of the Discord. We're going to check this out together with live questions, live interaction, so it's very, very valuable. Again, if you want to be part of it, go down into my description. You will find some links over there. Sign up, be part of the winning team, and start trading. I mean, we have a student that's roughly been here for 3 to 4 months. He just followed my trades and he got funded with a 50k account. I mean, how fucking easy is this? This is a complete life hack. But anyway, it's up to you. I will be live streaming back tomorrow on Friday, last day of the week. Let's kill it and finish it strong. And yeah, I wish you all amazing day ahead and stay safe. Cheers.